Hi everybody. I see everybody has jumped on the Temu bandwagon, so I decided to give it a try. I bought a variety of items, not just craft items, because I wanted a comparison of regular everyday things I would use. So, my order just came in today, and I don't even remember what I ordered from them, to be honest with you. So let's see what's in the bag. Oh, a bag in a bag. Come on, guys. Well, let's see what's in this one. I'm kind of glad they sent it all together instead of doing like that Wish Place does. They just send one thing at a time. It's very annoying. Okay, I think this is a cutting mat, because I don't know why I can't keep up with them. But it is a fabric grip cutting mat, and I wanted to cut some fabrics with my die cuts. So, everything in this bag came to a total of $47. So let's keep going and see what else is in here. I'm not sure what this was. Oh, refrigerator mats, and there's supposed to be 3 of them. But they go on the shelves of your refrigerator, and they've got like a raised surface on them. And of course, the color. Of course, I had to give it a color. I know I did order 3. One, 2, 3. Nope, I ordered 4. And they say you can cut them to fit, so we shall see. Teapot stamps. Y'all know I love my teapots. And I thought I had these, but I didn't. I only had, like, maybe this one. So, I went ahead and got these. They look interesting. I hope they work well. You will see. Okay, oh yeah, I bought a lot of this before on Wish. And it looks like the same thing. Oh no, this feels better. This isn't as thin. This is like a, I don't want to say burlap because it's not. Like that embroidery fabric. Yeah, this is nice. And you get a lot of it, as you can see. Yeah, this is really good quality. So yeah, I'm happy with this too. Wow, Temu, you may have a new customer. Oh, I actually bought 2 of those. Yeah, I use a lot of them. Okay, yes, I remember buying this. It is a vegetable and fruit slicer and peeler. Yeah, it's if you see the blades, I don't know if y'all can see them or not, but it has different size blades on it. And if you use orange zest, lemon zest, and you're cooking at any time, these are great to have. And I only had the 1 blade one, so I wanted to try the double bladed one. Okay. This is the molds for the resin to make wind chimes. Oh, and it comes with metal wind chimes. I thought it was going to be a tube. Shucks, it gives you the metal. I thought it was going to be a tube to make the parts that dangle, but that's okay. I'll look around and see if I can find another tube that I can make with these. So yeah, I'm going to try those out really soon. I love my wind chimes. Okay, candle wicks for Mr. Pete. He loves making his candles. Put this over here. Here's another stamp I got with flowers to watercolor. You can see them. They're right pretty. I like them. Washi stickers. Anyway, I bought my washi stickers. I bought a die cut. What is this? Oh, you can put ribbon through your papers now and make like the lace paper and put your ribbon through it. So I got that die cut. And I'm sure you could, make several and join them together. More stamps. I like them a lot. I think I'm going to get back into making cards again. I haven't done them in ages and ages, but I really enjoyed making them before, so I do the watercolor ones. Guys, look at here. They have the bags that you put stuff in when you're selling. I almost flipped out when I saw these, and it looks like the exact same ones I order off of Amazon. It says made in China, and so are theirs. So I'll let you know if these hold up as good. But I'm doing a lot of organizing and separating stuff now. So I said, well, what the heck, I'll try theirs. Okay. Packing needles and a needle holder. I'm forever losing my needles. Even though I have the teacup pin cushion and one of those old pin cushions like the red tomato one. And a big pin cushion. I don't know. I lose the pin cushions, let's put it that way. Okay, I got these to make different size, headers, letters, whatever. These are some stickers. It has a bat on it, so I'm not sure why I ordered it. These may be something I got for the boys. I don't know. I'm not going to open them because I don't know. My last thing. Oh my god. Here's another one. But it's different. It is the whiter pink flowers on it in different shades of pink. Okay, y'all know I'm addicted to pink. Everything I make is pink just about. I think I make it myself. So that is everything. And so far, looking at it, I would say it's no less quality than something you're going to walk out to Walmart and buy. But I won't know for sure until I try it. So I'll let you know if I try something and it flubs completely, I'll come back and show a video on which items didn't work. Alright guys, thanks for checking in. And it's Temu, Temu.com. See you later.